What's going on, awesome people? In this week's video, you are going to see us touch up some putty spots on the walls and then begin to prime and paint this area. Tony's not with me right now, she's at work, but she will be hopefully in some of them this week as we do this. But who knows, she works during the day, I work at night, and I don't have to have a lot of sleep, so it's a little easier for me to run on nothing than it is for her. But yeah, I gotta putty some holes, and then I'm gonna do some taping, and then probably primer tomorrow and hopefully paint the next day, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, that's what's going on in this video. Hope y'all enjoy. Seconds of that time lapse, I started taping. Well, I don't know why I was taping over that wall to keep from where we're going to paint the paneling, because we're going to paint it the same color as the wall. So if I run over a little bit, it's not going to be that big of a deal, because after I prime it, it's going back to be that same color. So I just need to tape off the floor and the outlet covers, which, by the way, are really weird outlet covers. We can't even replace them. We're actually going to have to paint them as well with plastic outdoor paint to make them match. Weirdest thing ever, but it is what it is. So y'all see me putty the holes, and I would love to sand it at the moment, but it is not dry. Y'all see me tape most of the outlets. I mean, realistically, you didn't see what was behind the camera that I taped, because I just wasn't moving the camera, just to be honest. But anyway, that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow, y'all should see me priming this stuff. Sand it a little bit, then priming. Because we're actually doing the walls in a textured, so it's not super huge that I get it completely flat. As long as I knock the bulk of it off, we will be completely okay. But that's it for today. Not for this video. Y'all will see me prime, and y'all will see us paint all in this video. So anyway, till tomorrow, we love you. We'll see you then. Remember, smile and wave. 4 days later. But hey, at least the counter looks good. The counter looks good. But everything was prepped, y'all saw that. Got Miss Tony here. We're gonna get started and see what we get done tonight, because tomorrow we're going to start moving some stuff in. Anyway, time lapse it is. We'll see y'all then.
Almighty, I worship in your all my days, I will worship in your house. All my days, I will worship in your house. Oh, I will worship in your
Take two. Well, Tony has gone to the house. We went and got dinner after that little segment y'all just seen. I don't know if y'all can tell, but our first attempt at primer, not great. Couple reasons that could be. Everything you hear on the internet ain't always true. What you always watch may not always work. So, gonna start over. It's just the way it goes sometimes. Got different rollers. I'd love to spray it because I know spraying works a lot easier, but it's not in the budget. Did upgrade the rollers to some better rollers for the type of wall that we're doing. Because honestly, it's paneling faux paneling. It's not really actual wood paneling. So yeah, what do you do? It's a 35-year-old home. Hey, you live, you learn, you do it again. So here we go. The next little clip y'all gonna see is me redoing it, and hopefully I can get it done before midnight because I'm ready to go to bed. Anyway, see y'all in a minute.
I filled my hands, but my heart was longing for something more, and you called my name, said you knew me long before I was born. Ooh. You don't despise a broken heart. Oh, your love. Oh, your love.
What's up, people? Day 297, 3,101. We at it again. That's all I can say. I was here till 12:30 last night and did not get as much accomplished as I wanted, but as you can tell, it is a lot better. But it looks like it's gonna take three coats of primer. We'll get it done. I am going to finish this room today and hopefully get the rest of it prepped to get it finished this week, because next weekend, without a doubt, we have to start moving. Because we'll be down to basically 2 weeks to get moved. Technically 3, but I got a wrestling tournament in 2 weeks. Tony's got surgery in 3 weeks, so we're kind of limited on what we're doing. So anyway, yeah, that's it. I know it's just me right now. Tony will be here later. You will see her maybe in the time lapse or something like that. But hey, hopefully this is one video. You never know. Might make it 2. We'll see.
I came before his throne. He touched my lips and made me whole. Exchanged my heart of stone for one of flesh and put life in my bones. And all I can say is, holy is he. Yeah, holy is he. He opened up my eyes
of the walls. Finally painted. Tony Pilling tape. As y'all can tell, baseboards are done. We have that table don't go here. But we do have some furniture in here. Just a little. As y'all saw in the last video, the counter is done, but we still have kitchen and doors inside to do, as y'all can tell. But guess what? Right now, doesn't matter. It's time to move in. We will do the doors and the door jambs and stuff as we go. And of course, we're gonna change the blinds. One's been changed, but we're getting there. But right now, that's gonna do it for this one. So, here's Tony behind me. The next time you see us after this video will be a wrestling tournament. And then probably something, who knows at this point. But right now it's time to move in, get settled in, and then we'll finish the kitchen and doors and start the outdoor projects. But right now, like I said already, it's time to move in. But, Beck, you got anything to say?
You may not see me for a little bit because I have to have a procedure, so he will be flying solo a little bit, but after that, in recovery, I'll be back at it and seeing more of me.
So, there y'all have it. That's what we got going on. God loves you. We love you. And remember, smile and wave. We'll see y'all on the next one.